If you're new to colour mixing and learning to mix colours, or even if you're not, the Derivan palette makes it really, really simple. So, the palette comes with 3 or 4 pages of instructions on how to colour mix and the whole colour mixing theory. But along with that, and you can actually download that for free and you don't need to buy the palette, but it'd be really good if you bought the palette. The benefit of the palette is that it's split up into the biased primary colours, and that's where mixing really clean and accurate colours really comes from. You can use the palette with acrylics. They'll just wash out at the end of your session, or indeed you could put Glad wrap over the top of it to keep them wet. Put it in your fridge until next time you go to use it. If that's going to be quite a while, I'd suggest you actually wash it out. But if you're using the Derivan watercolours, for instance, that's fine. Just fill up all the wells, and of course the watercolours, even once they've dried, will re-wet again. So I'm not going to get into the theory of how to actually mix all the different colours, but you will be able to, with the instructions, mix all these colours. And if you like, download the instructions and have a read first and see just how simple it is. Now, if those few pages in the description below aren't enough and you want to know more about colour theory, then you're my kind of person. Below that is another link to our colour book, which is a free download of the entire theory of colour. So if you're looking to mix colours, or what is colour theory, just head to the description below and click on the links. And don't forget to subscribe.